So today, working on a four-wheeler for my son. Was running pretty good. We put it away. Haven't used it in several years. Cleaned the carburetor. It runs for a small bit of time, but the gas smells really bad. So I cleaned the carburetor bowl. Just took out the gas tank. So now I'm going to clean the gas tank, get some fresh gas, charge the battery. This is one of those Yukons, Chinese four-wheelers. We've had a lot of fun with it. My daughter ran it for years. So far, it hasn't cost me too much. Kind of started the video kind of late, but I'll track it through while installing it, and hopefully we get it running. Just cleaned up the gas tank. Drained out the gas. It stunk really bad. And we're just installing it back. Get these bumpers, rubber inserts lined up. Got these screws. For the back. A couple from the front. Kind of tight quarters. To get it started, use my extension. So you can see where I'm going. The back ones. Well, got the bowl off, got the carburetor ready to get into the pilot and the main. This right here is the pilot, that's the main. Some nasty stuff came out of the bowl, so I'm hoping the tank, there's my light dying, I hope the tank isn't full of crap. I kind of shook it up. Let's see what happens. Well, got the carburetor back in. Got a little skip in it. Used to run a lot smoother than this. At least it's idling. In the gas, and it looks like it's making its way through the system. I live by that seafoam. I blew out the carburetor twice, cleaned the jets twice. Looks like I'll bring down the idle. looks like seen better days. I can get it to run. It's gonna run kind of rough and the idle's gonna be high, but kids are up from Florida. At least they'll have maybe an hour's worth of fun. That's it for the day. I wanted to do more recording as I was working on it, but I didn't have a tripod. One good thing, I hooked up the jump box to it. Seems to start pretty good. Right up on the idle circuit. Just not as smooth. Maybe after some time running on the seafoam tomorrow, maybe we'll clean the internals out in the carburetor. Tried the best blowing it out, cleaning it with carb cleaner. But these Yukons, they can take a beating. My daughter rode this for years. Hard to find parts now. The only way you can keep these is buy another one for parts that you can keep aside. You can see it's taken a beating over the years. People hitting trees and just having a blast. You can see the front's all crooked. But everybody used to come over and ride that four-wheeler, Suzuki 700, fuel injected in this Yukon, and have a blast. Kids used to have a blast. So I'm just trying to get it together tonight just so the kids can ride. They're up in New England for the first time from Florida.